everybody, thanks for coming by the channel today. I'm doing something different. I have a Colourpop bag. The other day I got an email for a Colourpop mystery bag and it was $25 and you get $55 worth of product. And to get it shipped free, I was forced to buy more makeup. So let's get in here and see what's in here. This is my granddaughter's nice duct tape covering up my address. So, all right. This is the... Well, we're definitely gonna have to edit that out. Colourpop. New year to Colourpop. I have my mystery bag and the couple of things that I got to go with it. All right, this is the mystery bag, Colourpop. Let's get wild. All right, I wonder what's in here. This is exciting. Okay, let's see what's in here. All right. It is so full in here. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to get my glasses. There's far too much reading. All right, let's see what we've got. First, I have the Super Shock Highlighter in Pinch Me, which is adorable because it looks completely pink. It says Super Shock Cheek on the back. It's very pink. Oh, it feels wet. It's just like the Super Shock products. It feels, oh, it's wet and creamy and it's nice. Can you see it's got great shimmer to it. Let me start rubbing that on my cheeks. Okay, next we have a Lippy Sticks, Colourpop Lippy Sticks in Ziggy Matte X. I don't know what Ziggy Matte X means. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a neutral. Oh, it is very orange, very warm. Ooh, my goodness. That's got some brown going on. That'll be nice in the fall. That's not a color I wear every day though, but it's still very pretty. Next we have the Volumizing Mascara. Very cool. I have never tried the Volumizing Mascara and it's black on black. All right, there you go. It's very cool. Mascara. Who doesn't love a mascara? All right, what else have we got? There are two of these things that look exactly alike, so I'm taking them out at the same time. Nope, they're different. Ultra Blotted Lip. This looks like another warm color. Looks like it might actually go nice with that first one. Nope, this has definitely got more red in it. This will be better. It's very pretty. What'd I say it was? Doozy. So this is the Ultra Blotted Lip in Doozy, which has got more red in it than the first rust one. This was definitely more usable. The next one is the Ultra Glossy Lip. This is pretty. Oh, it's a brush. It's like the old-fashioned, probably not to you young people, old-fashioned brush ones. That's very pretty. That's just a nude. That goes on just like a nude. These all go very nicely together though. Next we have Sequin Super Shock Shadow, which matches with the lips. It's very pretty. It's a real rusty color too. I use this a lot more on my eyes. Oh, I love the feel of the Super Shocks. So pretty. It's this right here. It does really go with it. I've got a whole look going here. They were thoughtful in putting this together because the colors do complement one another. Okay, let's see what else we've got. A Colourpop Lip Luxie in Lucky Strike. This looks like might be a cool color. I've heard great things about the Luxe lips, that they are very, oh, this is pretty. It's a real creamy color. That one is definitely pinker than the others. That looks more like me. It's very pretty. It is creamy. It's nice and creamy. Oh, can wipe it down. It's definitely going to transfer. It's just a lipstick. It's not one of those liquid lips. So it's a lipstick that'll... Okay, and I think last but not least, I have a Party of 5 Super Shock Shadow. Party of 5 Super Shock Shadow. Is this pretty? It's kind of a berryish color. Do love the creaminess of that Super Shock. Oh yeah, that's definitely got more of a pink tone to it. But these are all, you can tell by the back of my hand, these colors are really nice together. And I said that was last but least, but it is absolutely not. There's a pressed powder shadow, just in pan, that is called Snake Eyes. Very pretty. It's a neutral. I've never used one of their pan shadows before. Great color payoff. Real neutral to complement all of those. So that was, like I said, a very thoughtful bag. So I got all of that for $25. They said that it was a $55 value. I will get on and do all of the math, and it should tell you here. I'm gonna try and tell you right here how much all of these items were worth. And they're really pretty. As I look at them on the back of my hand, I really feel like I will wear most of them. The only one I wonder about is this first very deep rust color. But in the fall, I might even wear that. They're very pretty. And that was all in the Colourpop Let's Get Wild mystery bag. Now, to get free shipping, I got another lip lux in a color that I chose called Mesmerize. Let's see if I picked myself a cooler color than they did. Well, you know what? I think it might buy right into what they did. Oh no, that's definitely pinker. That's very pretty. No, that's definitely got some warmth to it. Well, at least I have a whole Colourpop fall warm rust theme going on. And because I get so many of the rusty colored items, I thought one way to help fix that was to get the liquid lips they had on sale in Ultra Glossy Lip, and it's called Dreamaholic. And it looks kind of purple, but the pictures online just showed it going on kind of with a blue tone. And what I thought was, I get so many of these rust colors that I wondered if I could put it over top of those, and if it would give it just a little bit of a bluish overtone, so that it would make it look less warm. That's it right here. Let me get a little more of that on there. Woo. Let's see what happens if I put it over one of the warm tones. Nope. Still warm, but now with blue over top. Actually, you know what? That's not true. I did it over this one, and it made it a little bit cooler. You can see where I missed up top, where it's still very rust. And that's exactly what I was thinking. I was thinking I could put it on and it would make it cooler. So that is what I got. I paid for a Luxe lip and a Glossy lip. And in the $25 kit, I got in Snake Eyes, the pan shadow. And in the Color Shock shadow, I got Sequin and Party of Five. So you can tell kind of the difference in the light and the dark of that. I got the Super Shock highlighter cheek in Pinch Me. I got the Luxe lip in Lucky Strike. That's very pretty. I got the volumizing mascara, the Ultra Blotted lip in Doozy, the Ultra Glossy lip in Champagne Miami, and the Lippy Sticks in Ziggy. So that's a really good deal. They're all kind of warm. So they put together a thoughtful, this random purple over here is one that I ordered. So they put together a thoughtful bag. So it was totally worth it. That was fun. All right, guys, thanks for coming by. This was just a random Colourpop mystery bag. I will have more unboxings coming up soon. So please like and subscribe and comment below. Did you do this? And if so, did you get some of the same colors or did you get something different? It seems like a really good deal. And if it worked for me, I've already showed you right here how much the $25 was actually worth. I think they said $55, so we'll see. And thanks for coming by. Bye guys, see you next time.